Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Funnel Scripts, okay? Perhaps you landed on Funnel Scripts, this particular page, and you're wondering, is this a good product? How much does it cost? Can it really help you to write some amazing sales copy so that you can sell more products online, again, in any niche that you want? Let's take a look at this piece of software to see whether this is the solution or is it still better to hire expensive copywriters, okay? Now, at any time if you want, you can get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month, minimum 100% from home. I'll send you that strategy for free. Just click the link in the description box and I'll send that straight to your email, all right? Completely up to you. Now, let's take a look at Funnel Scripts. So Funnel Scripts is created by Jim Edwards and Russell Brunson. Russell Brunson is the creator of ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is one of the most popular funnel building softwares in the marketplace. It's very, very good. I've been using it for over a decade now, actually. Russell Brunson has made a lot of money for me, to be honest. I've purchased a lot of their programs. He is basically one of the biggest internet marketers in the world, Russell Brunson, right? Jim Edwards is his copywriting guy, okay? And so together, they teamed up, they've written a copywriting book, and then recently they came out with Funnel Scripts. So what Funnel Scripts is it's a piece of software that will help you to write good sales copy, all right? So that's pretty much it in a nutshell, right? And here's the thing about marketing online is that whenever you market online, whether you are an affiliate marketer, whether you're in network marketing, whether you're trying to sell your own programs online, whether you're in drop shipping or Amazon FBA or digital agency or SMMA or SaaS or whatever, as long as you're trying to sell something online, you need sales copy. Okay, you need to put some sort of either complicated or simple sales funnel together, and they're going to need headlines, you're going to need emails, you're going to need capture pages, you're going to need video sales letters, you're going to need bullet points, things like that, right? And all of these will probably be written by you because you are the entrepreneur, right? Now, the problem is with sales copy, it is a pretty tricky thing because if you don't know how to write good sales copy, you can lose a lot of sales. And so what Funnel Scripts does is based off of Russell's illustrious long career with the help of Jim Edwards. They've come up with hundreds and hundreds of templates that work very, very well. They've put it into a piece of software called Funnel Scripts, and Funnel Scripts will basically allow you to create really, really good sales copy without you having to rack your brains or spend a lot of money on a qualified copywriter. Okay, so most good copywriters out there on internet land, if you were to hire them, minimum 5 to 10,000 US dollars to hire a good copywriter. All right. The cool thing about this is you can be in pretty much any niche you want. You could be in mindset, in motivation, in cryptocurrency, in affiliate marketing, in drop shipping, in make money online, in gardening, pretty much anything. And you can get templates that will help you to write great sales copy that will allow you to make more sales. That's the bottom line. Okay, so inside of Funnel Scripts, what they'll do is they cover a few different areas. They cover sales letters, they cover email scripts, they cover sales copy, video scripts. If you're doing video sales letter like this one right here, they give you some great video sales letter scripts. They have a downloadable wizard. They've got titles and headlines, classic ad copy, bullet scripts, content creation, even a bonus section that you can use to create good bonus copy as well. And you can use it to write your entire sales page and all the little things in between inside your entire sales process. Okay, so this thing is going to save you a lot of money if you are an internet marketer. As long as you're selling something online, it could be your own product, it could be somebody else's product, you could be an affiliate marketer. This is a great program, okay, or a great software to help you to make more sales in terms of sales copy. You could change all of your emails. You could write an email every single day using Funnel Scripts. It's not the cheapest thing out there, but it's also not the most expensive, okay? So this costs one time $797. And I mean, it's not cheap, but it's not expensive either. I mean, if you were to hire a copywriter, they would cost again $5,000 to $10,000, and that's probably just for one sales page. So this software can be used for everything in your business. All your emails, all your headlines, all your bullet points, your entire sales page. Even if you were selling somebody else's product, you could use it to write out headlines and simple static pages, and the sales copy will help you to drive sales, right? So $797, I think, is pretty worth it for something that could potentially change your entire business in terms of sales and driving people to make a purchase. Okay, so if you want to check out Funnel Scripts, you can do so at funnelscripts.com. All right, and you can check it out there if you like. I like a lot of Russell Brunson stuff. Jim Edwards is really, really good. as well. And this, I think, will help a lot of internet marketers to do very, very well. So if you want to check them out, you can head to the website if you would like. Okay. Now, at any time, if you want to find out how to make 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month, because look, there are a lot of different ways, right? Maybe you're watching this video because you're still trying to figure out what to do. Maybe you're not maybe you're not a business owner yet. Maybe you don't know what to sell. Maybe you don't know what industry to get started in. This particular piece of software only works for people that already know what they're going to do. But if you're still someone who's in research mode, you don't really know how to make money online, you're dabbling, you came across funnel scripts, you're not sure if you should sell other people's products, maybe you should do affiliate marketing, maybe you should do drop shipping. What should you do? What's the best way to earn full-time income online? Now, I've been marketing online for over a decade. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. And still, my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month, 100% from home, minimum, is still one very specific strategy. I still think it's the easiest, the most affordable, and the most direct way to get great results online, right? If you like that strategy, just go ahead and click the link below and I will send that strategy directly to your email to check out if you'd like. All right. I hope you enjoyed this review of Funnel Scripts and I hope to see you in another review. Take care.